Is Chrome using excessive RAM? Our website tracking everything you do? In this video, I'll show you the best Chrome settings that make your browser faster, use less memory, and significantly improve your privacy. First, enable Memory Saver. Go to Settings, then in Performance, on Memory Saver, turn it on. Benefits: frees RAM from inactive tabs, speeds up multitasking, reduces CPU use. Second, enable Energy Saver. On Settings, go to Performance. Now on Energy Saver, turn that on. Benefits: lower battery or energy consumption, less background activity, cooler system temperatures. Third, turn off Continue Running Background Apps. Go to Settings, then on System, then Continue Running Background App when Chrome is closed, turn that off. Benefits: Chrome completely closes, saves RAM, reduces CPU use. Number 4. Disable preloading pages. Go to Settings, then in Performance or Privacy, depending on versions, preload pages, turn that off. Benefits: less data use, fewer background connections, better privacy. Number 5. Disable third-party cookies. This is optional. Go to Settings, then on Privacy and Security. Now on third-party cookies, choose Block third-party cookies. Benefits: stop many trackers, improve online privacy. Number 6. Enable Enhanced Safe Browsing. This is optional also. Now choose according to your preference. If you choose Standard Protection, it gives you better privacy and less data gets shared. Now if you choose Enhanced Protection, it gives you better security but shares more browsing data with Google. Number 7. Review site permissions. Go to Settings, then on Privacy and Security, on Site Settings, disable unnecessary permissions like notifications, location, camera, microphone, motion sensors. Benefits: better privacy and less website tracking. Number 8. Turn off Use Statistics. Go to Settings, then on You and Google. There will be Sync and Google services. Disable Help improve Chrome features and performance, and also disable autocomplete search and URL. This is optional. Benefits: less telemetry sent to Google. Number 9. Disable autofill. This is optional also. If you don't use Chrome Password Manager, go to Settings, then Password Manager, Payment Method, Addresses. Turn off unnecessary autofill features. Benefits: better privacy and less stored personal information. Number 10. Remove unused extensions. Go to Chrome Extensions and see which extensions you regularly use. And if you find any extension that you don't use, just remove them. If you find any extension that you use sometimes but not regularly, you can disable them. Extensions are often the biggest cause of high RAM use, slow browser startup, privacy concerns. Number 11. Use Chrome Task Manager. Press Shift plus Escape. Check tabs using lots of memory, heavy extensions, misbehaving websites, and unnecessary tasks. Number 12. Disable Startup Page. Go to Settings and on Startup Page, choose Open the New Tab page instead of restoring dozens of tabs every launch. Number 30. Clear browsing data occasionally. Go to Privacy and Security and clear browsing data. Recommended: cached images, cookies, if desired. This can fix slugging browsing over time. Number 14. Keep Chrome updated. Go to Menu, then on Help, About Google Chrome, you will see their option to update. Because update includes security fixes, memory optimizations, performance improvements. Now those are the best Chrome settings for maximum privacy and minimal RAM use in 2026. Most people never change these settings, but together they can noticeably reduce memory use and limit unnecessary tracking. Now, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Windows and browsing optimization guides.